Yeah. What is our course title, guys? Spring Basics, Spring Boot, okay, Spring Cloud and Microservices. Okay, this is our course title. Yeah, this is end-to-end learning of Spring. End-to-end learning of Spring, guys. Okay, from 0% to 100%. Yeah, that's a okay, guys. Next, end to end. So I can name this course as Spring Stack course also. We can also call it as, we can also call this course as Spring Stack course. Understanding my statement? Everything of Spring will be covered. Everything of Spring will be covered. I will share the course content with you people, guys. Okay, all the modules of Spring, everything of Spring will be discussed. Spring Boot will be discussed. MVC will be discussed. Right. AOP, JDBC. Come on. Data JPI, security, Spring Batch, everything will be covered. Understanding my point? Okay. Right. Important modules and extensions that will be covered in this course. Or yeah, Spring REST will be covered. Okay, Spring Core will be covered, guys. Spring JDBC will be discussed. Spring AOP will be discussed. Okay. Spring Data JPA will be discussed. Spring Data MongoDB will be discussed. Spring MVC will be discussed. Come on. Okay, since Spring MVC will be discussed, yes, we'll be learning Spring Boot also. Come on. Everyone getting my point, guys? Come on. So, since Spring is common everywhere, I'll just write module names. Yeah, these topics we'll be learning in Spring Angle and Spring Boot Angle. Everyone getting my point? Yes, boss. Security will be discussed. Batch will be discussed. Come on. Okay. Scheduling will be discussed. It's a big course, guys. Right. Spring REST will be discussed. Cloud will be discussed. Come on. And we'll spend a lot of time on microservices. Only on microservices, we are going to spend 40 sessions, right? Microservices. Okay. JWT will be discussed. OAuth will be discussed. I'm planning to discuss Vodka. Okta for this batch. Right, boss. Kafka will be discussed. Kafka. JMS will be discussed. Come on. Yes, we'll be learning design patterns. Am I audible, guys? Multiple design patterns. Design patterns. Am I audible, guys? Those are having audio video problem. Make sure that your network bandwidth is good. Still not happening, try to rejoin once. Okay. We will be learning multiple design mini projects, guys. Mini projects, designing and implementation. Mini projects, designing and implementation. And many things, guys. Many things will be there. It's an end-to-end course of Spring, guys. Are you understanding my point, guys? It is end-to-end course of Spring and Spring Boot. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Nice, boss. Shall we get into the discussion? Duration. Yeah. 122. Yeah, you have to give time, guys. 120 to 140 session. Okay, if you are planning to learn everything in single slot. If you are planning to learn everything in single slot, 120 to 140 sessions are required. Definitely required. Because we have to learn right from what is framework to microservices. What is framework to microservices? Definitely this one. No, you cannot give those many hours, those many sessions. Then we can go for, you give me 70 to 90 sessions, 2 slots. 2 slot. When I say single slot, this slot, guys, 7 a.m. When I say 2 slots, morning 7 a.m. 1 slot, guys. Okay. Evening 7:30 p.m. another slot. Let me be very clear. Right. Let me be very clear on this point. Okay. It's not compulsory. Everyone should attend 2 sessions, guys. Everything will happen. First topic to last topic will happen in 7 a.m. slot. But you have to give 120 to 140 sessions for it. Clear, guys? Okay. No, I have a time constraint. You need my content. Do one thing. Initial classes you attend in the morning session. Parallelly, you try to take what? Evening session topics parallelly. Since you are attending 2 sessions parallelly in a day, so the duration may come down to 70 to 90 session. It's not mandatory. Everyone should come. Everything happens in a single slot itself. Is that clear? Okay. I don't take pressure of course completion in fast track mode. But if you want my content, you take the pressure off. Understanding my point. Attending 2 topics parallelly. Definitely it's understandable. I will invite to evening slot only when you are ready to understand evening topics. Immediately I don't allow you. You have to spend few days in the morning slot. Once you are ready to attend other topics of evening slot ready, then only I will be calling you. Okay. Listen, guys, people are asking when next new batch will start. Because early morning 7 a.m. is not so suitable, boss. Okay, it takes another 4 to 5 months minimum to start the next batch. It's a big course. Evening batch is already going on. Okay, minimum 3 months it will take to start the next batch. So if you want to grab the opportunity of attending my content, my classes, 7 a.m. is the ultimate solution. You want looking for evening batch, it takes minimum 3 to 4 months. Right, boss. Course fee. Okay. Course fee. 6,000 rupees, guys. Only for Spring Stack. Spring Stack means everything, boss. Course fee. No, and one more offer is there. 8,000. 8,000. Spring Stack plus. Okay. React JS or Angular JS. Spring Stack plus React JS or Angular JS. One thing, only Angular. Only Angular. Angular is different. Angular JS is different. Everyone getting my point, guys? Right. Actually, React JS, only course fee of React JS is 5,000. The course fee of Angular is 5,000. But if you take along with Spring Stack, in 2,000 rupees, you will get what? Either Angular or React. I hope you got the clarity, boss. Okay, boss. Next. Free and common topics. What are the free and common topics you will get? Okay, now let me give the React JS Angular will be taught by UI technology faculty, that is Sudhakar Sharma sir. Entire Spring Stack I will take care. Entire Spring Stack I will take care. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. No problem. You can take Spring course, Spring Stack course, Angular course parallelly, Spring Stack course, React JS course parallelly. No, I will attend one after another. That's up to you. That's up to you. That's up to you. Okay, once a React and Angular batch started, I will inform you. You can join. You can enjoy. So one right now batch is not started. Once started in a different slot, definitely I will inform you and you can happily join in that batch. Okay, guys. Yes, React JS, Angular knowledge is not mandatory if you are not trying as a full stack developer. Okay, if you are trying as a full stack developer, definitely React JS or Angular knowledge is definitely required, no doubt in that. Okay. Not both, guys. You will be getting one course along with the Spring Stack, either Angular or React. You have to choose one. You have to choose one. Okay, boss. And that will be having nearly 60 sessions, guys. As I said, this needs how many sessions? Everything in single slot, 120 sessions. This needs how many slots? Minimum, okay, 50 plus sessions are required. Right, boss. Okay. Yeah. What are the common and free topics you will get? What are the common and free topics you will get? Yes. Okay. Java real-time tools. Java real-time tools you will get, guys. Okay. What are the Java real-time tools you will get along with the course? Maven, Gradle, Git, Log4j, SLF4j, JUnit, Mockito, HTTP unit. Okay, HTTP unit, Docker, Jenkins. Yeah, okay. Agile, Jira, debugging, how to do debugging. Come on, complete details you will get. Depth knowledge you will get about all these tools. Jira, next code review tools, guys. Code reviewing and etc. And etc. You'll be learning about Postman, lot of other tools. Postman. Okay, SVN is outdated, guys. Nowadays, no one is working with SVN. Everyone is moved to Git only. Postman, right, boss. Swagger, and etc. So many things we will be learning, boss. Okay, anyhow, Eclipse will be learning. Eclipse will be using Eclipse ID. Eclipse, STS, and etc. Right, boss. Fine, boss. These are the Java real-time tools we'll be learning. Okay. Some common topics also there, boss. Right. Common topics. Yeah, what are the common topics? How to hunt software job. I'll be giving tips how to get software job. Next. Okay, resume preparation and interview tips. Okay, initial days in software company. After joining in the software company, how to behave in the initial days of software company. Initial days of software company. Okay, techniques of getting code from online. How to search code in the Google with the best techniques, guys. That also we are going to discuss. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, this is very important. Everything is available in online. For few people, everything comes. For few people, nothing comes. Okay, how to analyze your requirement, how to search that requirement related code, related documentation, related help from online, we are going to discuss. This is going to be very, very useful one, guys. Okay, boss. Okay, guys. Next, how to gather and explain projects. Right, guys. How to gather and explain projects. Yeah, because this is very challenging, boss. We need to know how to, because when you are showing gap as experience, you must know how to gather the projects, how to explain the projects, right? Okay. Tips and tricks to follow. Tips and tricks to follow while showing gap as experience. Yeah, when you're showing fake experience, guys, what are the tips and tricks you have to follow? Understanding my point, guys? Right. Okay. Next, knowing about IT industry. You should know what type of companies are there. Okay. Knowing about IT industry. I will be talking about various things related to IT industry. Fine, guys. Yeah, if you have a personalized question, please keep them till the end. At the end, I'll spend time to clarify all your personal questions. As of now, please use a chat box only to ask questions related to current discussion. Is that clear? If you have a personal question, I have that profile, I have this profile, I have that gap, this gap, what to do? Please hold this question till the end of the session. I will answer each and every person question. Okay, then only I will wind up the meeting of today. So please hold them. Yes, to attend this course, what is the prerequisite? Prerequisites for this course, guys. Strong core Java knowledge is required, guys. Strong core Java plus basics of JDBC. Basics of JDBC. Okay, boss. Timings, guys. Yeah, today I started bit lately, but later it will be started. Basics of JDBC and lots of common sense, no doubt. To attend any course of mine, common sense is required. Sir, I don't know Servlet JSP. Can I continue this course? Yes. But you have to do Servlet JSP parallelly with this course. To start this course, Servlet JSP knowledge is not required. But before I start Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, make sure that you got Servlet knowledge and JSP knowledge. Because I will be using Servlet JSP knowledge in Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC module. Everyone getting my point, guys? Come on. So immediately Servlet JSP knowledge is not required. Do I need to learn Hibernate? Immediately not required. Okay. Parallelly you can do. If you don't do also, okay, I will be teaching basics of Hibernate that is required to understand various concepts of Spring. So ultimately you should have a strong core Java knowledge, basics of JDBC. Apart from that, nothing is greatly required for this course. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Okay, boss. Right. 7 a.m. to 8:40 a.m., 8:30 or 8:40. That depends upon the requirement, guys. Requirement. Okay. Right. Weekly 6 or 7 classes. Yeah, sometimes I will call you. Sometimes I will call you on Sundays also. Be mentally prepared. And Sunday mostly timings will be okay, 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Indian timings, guys. Sunday, if I take the class, the session will be for 2 hours or 3 hours, and it will be 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Out of 4 Sundays in a month, mentally prepared to come at least for 2 Sundays. And every Friday, I will inform whether Sunday class is there or not there. Every Friday, I will inform whether Sunday class is there or not there. Out of 4 Sundays, you mentally prepare to attend sessions on 2 Sundays. They may be common topic or regular topics, but definitely Sundays we will work. Okay, right. Nice, boss. Fine, boss. Sunday timing is not fixed, guys. It may be any 2 hours in between 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. Is that clear? Right, boss. Shall we move further? Okay. Who needs this course? Who needs this course? Okay, guys. For fresher, only Spring Basics. Okay. Spring Basics and Spring Boot is sufficient. For freshers, Spring Basics and Spring Boot is sufficient. This batch is completely online batch, guys. Though offline classes are started, this batch will continue as online batch. Is that clear? Okay, boss. Right. Yeah. If you miss any class because of emergency, you have to contact the admin. Admin will provide the recording. But my suggestion is better not to miss the classes. Live sessions are interactive sessions, guys. It's not like that I came and I just speak. I involve you people. I will ask questions to you people. You can raise doubts with me. I will give some online assignment. You have to respond. It's going to be very much interactive sessions. In order to enjoy interactive session, better not to miss the classes. In case of emergency, if you miss the class, and that to early morning 7 a.m. emotions will be there, I know that. Okay, you have to contact admin. Admin will take 3 to 4 days time in order to supply video. So it's a big process. That's why my suggestion is better not to miss the classes. Yes, boss. As of now, this batch is online, guys. Maybe I'll be starting offline batches in 1-2 months. But as of now, this batch is completely online batch. Okay, fine. Right. Right, guys. For freshers, only Spring Basics, Spring Boot knowledge is sufficient. Spring Boot knowledge is sufficient. Okay, right. Uh, Spring Cloud and microservices. Microservice knowledge is added advantage. Added advantage. All right, guys. For freshers, for experienced guys, those are showing experience. Those are really experienced, are planning to show gap as experience. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus. Whatever knowledge I am giving in the classroom, guys, with that knowledge, you can show 4 to 5 years solid cinematic gap as experience. That much knowledge I am going to give. I will be teaching this course in detailed manner, in-depth manner, as for industry requirement. I am giving confidently one statement. After attending this course or from the middle of the course itself, you can start applying for a job, you can start giving interviews. Okay, you can show 4 to 5 years gap as experience. You want minimum package, you can start giving interviews once Spring MVC module is over. No, you want big packages, then wait till the end of the course, till the end of microservices completion, then you can get a big package. Then you can get a big package. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Super, boss. For experienced, complete spring stack is required. Complete course is required. So ultimately, this course is required for everyone. For fresher, 50% course is sufficient. But if they learn complete course, for them it is an added advantage. For remaining people, entire course is required. Right, boss? Are you getting my point, guys? Complete course is required. That means Spring Stack course is required. Officially, there is no terminology called Spring Stack, guys. Okay, I just created that terminology because end-to-end discussions of Spring together, we call it as Spring Stack. That covers Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, lots of modules that are required to develop real-time projects in what? Spring. Or all together, I am calling it as a Spring. Spring Stack. Officially, this terminology is not there. There is a terminology called full stack kind, mean stack kind of thing. Officially, this terminology is not there. For my comfort, for your comfort, for easy pronunciation, I created the terminology called Spring Stack. That's why official course title is still what? Spring Basic, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, and microservices only. I cannot call it as Spring Stack because Spring Stack terminology is not industry standard and it's not official. There is no such official terminology like that. But we can make it popular slowly, no doubt in that. I hope you got the clarity, boss. Come on. Okay. Right, boss. Yeah. Can I do this course? Can I do this course parallel with core Java OOPS learning? Core Java OOPS learning. Core Java, oops, learning. Come on. No. Answer is no. If you are learning last topics of Core Java, you can do it. But if you are learning oops of Core Java and I want to this course, not possible. Not possible. Right, boss. Another question. Can I do this course? I'll clarify all your questions. Don't worry. Can I do this course parallel with advanced Java course? Nothing but JWE course. JWE course is nothing but learning Servlet JSP kind of thing. JDBC Servlet JSP, where we develop Java-based web applications. Answer is yes. Yes, you can do that. Okay, boss. Can I do this course without Hibernate knowledge? Answer is yes. Okay, guys. Answer is yes. Okay, boss. Answer is definitely yes, guys. Next. What is the meaning of Java full stack developer? What is that, guys? Java full stack developer. Understanding my statement, guys? Java full stack developer. Is that clear? Java full stack developer. Array, I'll tell one more thing, guys. I'll tell one more thing, guys. In cricket, batsman will be there just doing batting. Bowler will be there just doing bowling. Wicket keeper will be there just doing wicket keeping, right? Okay. Now tell me, if you say all-rounder, he will do batting, bowling, if needed, wicket keeping also you can do. Anyhow, everyone will do fielding also. So full stack developer is like all-rounder, boss. Full stack developer is nothing but all-rounder. When I say Java full stack developer means what? His base knowledge is in Java, but he can work in all departments of the project development. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Come on. Java full stack developer, guys. Now tell me, the developer who is expert in multiple areas of project development is called full stack developer. Is called what, guys? Full stack developer. Okay. If backend knowledge is in Java, then is called Java full stack developer. If backend knowledge is in .NET, if backend knowledge is in Java, then is called Java full stack developer. If backend knowledge is in what? Backend knowledge is in what? .NET. Then is called .NET full stack developer. Okay. If backend knowledge is in JS, JS means JavaScript, guys, then is called JS full stack developer, JS or UI full stack developer. I hope you are understanding my point. Okay. If backend knowledge is in what? Python. Okay, then is called Python full stack developer. Okay. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Right. Java full stack developer needs. Okay, guys. Java domain knowledge. What, guys? Java domain knowledge. Java domain. Nothing but backend, guys. Nothing but backend. Tell me what he has to learn. Core Java, advanced Java. Okay. Hibernate. Okay. Spring Stack. Spring Stack. You should have design patterns and etc. And etc. When I say Spring Stack, Spring Basic, Spring Boot, microservices, Spring Cloud, everything of Spring, boss, everything of Spring. So this is number one, Java domain knowledge. Next, database domain knowledge, guys. Database domain knowledge. This also comes under backend learning only, boss. Yes. Database domain knowledge. Okay. Oracle or MySQL. There is no need of learning both, guys. Either Oracle or MySQL will be learning. Understanding my point? Okay. Number 3. Okay. Testing knowledge. QA, quality assurance. Also call it testing domain knowledge. Testing domain knowledge, guys. Yes, you should have some knowledge of manual testing, guys. You should know how to work with Selenium, JMeter, TestNG. So a lot of things are there. You should know how to work with the TestNG and a number of things. Right, for full stack, these many things are required, Babu. Then only you will be called as full stack developer. Array Selenium comes under automation testing, my dear. Okay. So next one. UI technologies knowledge. UI technologies knowledge. UI technologies knowledge. User interface. UI means user interface. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Okay. jQuery or React.js or AngularJS or Angular, one of these one. But right now, popular things are only 2 things. 50% industry preferring Angular, other 50% industry is preferring this. Yeah, maybe other alternates might be there, but as of now, popular things are what? As of now, popular things are what? Okay, this one, boss. Right, boss. UI technologies knowledge, guys. UI technologies knowledge. Yeah, these many things we have to learn. Super, guys. Okay, and it depends here. You can use either React or Angular. Some projects are preferring to use Angular. Some projects are preferring to use React, guys. You want me to pick up one? I prefer Angular one only. I prefer Angular one only. Okay. Right. Number 5, guys. DevOps knowledge. What is required, guys? DevOps knowledge. Are nothing but Java real-time tools, Babu. Yeah, real-time tools. Okay, guys, DevOps knowledge is required. Here what? Maven, Gradle. Okay, JUnit, Docker, Mockito, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Jira, Agile Jira. Okay, Agile Jira. Come on, Agile Jira, and etc. Many DevOps teams required, guys. DevOps knowledge is required. Okay. Next, number 6, cloud. Cloud domain knowledge. Cloud domain knowledge. Yes. Ultimately, you should be in a position to deal with the cloud also, boss. Hey, Spring Cloud is for programming, boss. Listen. Spring Cloud is for programming, and this cloud is different. I'll explain what is cloud. Array, when you want to develop any website or any project, we will be keeping all the software in our system. After delivering the project, client also keep all the software in his system in order to run the project smoothly. Come on. Right. That means in my company, I should have a hardware and software setup to develop the project. After releasing also, client organization should have what? Hardware and software setup to run the project, right? Sometimes this hardware requirement will be huge requirement, costly also. Softwares also can be a costly one. In Java domain, that headache is not there. Most of the softwares and softwares are free in Java domain, but at least hardware part is bit costly now, boss. Not for one developer, for entire team you should provide, and all these individual computers should connect to one server. Somewhere repositories will be there, common softwares will be there, databases will be there. It's a big setup and lot of money is required, right? What cloud says, I provide same software setup, same hardware setup in the internet. You purchase a dummy computer, dummy terminal by investing 4,000-5,000, not 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Purchase with what? Some basic terminals whose cost is what? 4,000, 5,000, and connect to my cloud. Okay, in the cloud only you pick up the hardware, in the cloud only you pick up the software, in the cloud only you develop the project, in the cloud only you test the project, in the cloud only you release the project. Client person also will have similar cloud setup and he will run the project in the cloud itself. Come on. think in this angle. That means what we are doing, we are taking everything on rental basis, Rabo. Both software setup, hardware setup, we are taking on rental basis. That is nothing but cloud. I hope you got a basic clarity about cloud, boss. When someone says I'm working on cloud, nothing they are doing. Whatever software we use in our regular computer, whatever hardware setup we use in regular computer, or what network we use in regular computer, the same setup they try to use in what? Cloud environment, by taking software and hardware setup from what? Someone in the internet on rental basis. Is that clear? One simple example, Rababu. You decided to construct your own home or house. It's a tedious process or not? It's a 2 years work, and you have to do a lot of sacrifice, a lot of money and personal time, and you have to coordinate so many workers. Okay, so you decided not to go through that headache. What you will do? Happily, you will take someone's house on rental basis. Okay, you shifted to other city. There you take one more rental house. You shifted to one more city. There you will take one more rental house. So taking a house on rental, using that house for a certain amount of days, and once work is done, returning back and moving to other place is quite easy or not? Okay, guys. So cloud domain knowledge is also required, guys. Super, guys. Right. What are the popular cloud domains in the market, guys? AWS is there. Okay. Google Cloud is there. Windows Azure is there. Windows Azure is there. Okay. I think Microsoft Azure. People call Windows Azure also. Fine. Microsoft Azure and etc. Alibaba is there. And many companies are offering. Right, boss. But in the still market leader is what? AWS. Still market leader is AWS. Yes. If you have knowledge on these many domains, then you will be called as full stack developer. What is your backend knowledge? Java. That's why you will call it as what? Java backend developer. In the place of Java domain knowledge, you got PHP domain knowledge for backend development. Then you will be called as PHP full stack developer. In the place of Java, your backend knowledge is there in .NET. Then you will be called as .NET .NET full stack developer. Got it, guys? Okay, guys. Right. Remaining all are same, guys. Remaining all are same. Array, listen. In all-rounder also there is a terminology. Batting all-rounder, bowling all-rounder. For example, you take Ravindra Jadeja, is a bowling all-rounder. Basically bowler, but also can do batting, right? Come on, guys. Come on. Yuvraj Singh, batting all-rounder. Yuvraj Singh, batting all-rounder. Janty Rhodes, fielding all-rounder. Janty Rhodes, I don't know whether you heard about that or not. He's known for fielding skills, right? Okay. MS Dhoni, batting all-rounder. Everyone got the clarity or not? Hardik Pandya, batting all-rounder only. There are some batting all-rounders. There are some bowling all-rounders. Similarly, Java full stack developers. Come on. Right, guys. Java full stack developers and .NET full stack developer. What is their backend knowledge? Based on that, they will be decided. Okay. Sir, is it compulsory to become Java full stack developer? Listen carefully. Listen carefully. One or other day, you have to become full stack developer. But don't target immediately. You join in the company as a Java developer. Keep the target of 3 years and try to become full stack developer. No, sir, I'm seeing so many courses offering on Java full stack developer, Java full stack developer. Let me say one thing. If you learn those courses, okay, as a full stack developer course, you will become jack of all, master of none. Already Java itself big version, Rabab. Java itself big version, and becoming expert in these 6 areas in the duration of 6 months, in the duration of 8 months is really impossible. Really impossible. If someone says I have become, he's bluffing. One word I have used: jack of all, master of none. Knows everything but not perfect in anything. If you pressurize yourself to become full stack developer by learning everything in the span of 6 to 8 months, either you will go to mental hospital or you will become jack of all, master of none. Only no side editing, not the depthness of the subject. Then what is the solution, sir? Don't target like this. I never encourage like that. I never encourage that. What you encourage, sir? I encourage first target to become Java developer. joining the company as a Java developer and take time of 2 to 3 years. Okay. And target to become Java full stack developer. This is the actual way that you have to follow. Since in the job openings, there are some titles called full stack developer, full stack developer. All people started offering full stack developer course, guys. It's practically impossible to become full stack developer from the scratch in the 6 months time or 8 months time. It needs experience. It needs a real-time experience. So what is my slogan? I don't know about what people are doing, but my slogan is target Java developer by learning core Java, advanced Java frameworks, join in the company. Okay, take 2 years time or 3 years time to become full stack developer. Sir, why should I become full stack developer? What is the extra advantage you will get? Simple reason. As a Java developer, if you join in a company with 4 years experience, if they are offering 15 lakh package, but if you join in the company with the same 4 years experience as a full stack developer, they may offer you 25 lakh package. Definitely, all-rounders are having more demand compared to what? Only batsmen or only bowler. Because if you fail as a bowler, he can be used as a batsman. If you fail as a batsman, he can be used as a bowler, right? So all-rounders are always in demand, no doubt in that. But becoming all-rounder is not that much easy. Becoming full-stack developer needs time, needs experience, needs maturity. So that's why first target Java developer, then target what? Full-stack developer. Okay, boss. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Now listen. Sir, how hard? Course materials. Course material or classroom notes. Okay, guys. Initially will be shared through Facebook. Through Facebook. Okay. Later through. What is that? Later through Google Classroom. Understanding my statement, guys? Later through Google Classroom and Drives. Okay, let me go those details, guys. Let me give few details related to that. I'll share the same details with you. Yeah, these are those details, boss. Everyone, please save admin number. Please save these details in your desktop. Yeah, faculty details, guys. Name of the faculty is what? Mr. Natras. Yeah, FB group, guys. Yeah, initially I said, na, this is group name. Natras Java Arena. Natras Java Arena. It's a private group, guys. You have to become member in order to access this content. Already 15K plus members are there in this group. Okay. Private group, guys. Right, guys. Yeah, someone is asking me what is the difference between Java developer, full stack developer. If you know number one knowledge and number two knowledge, you can become Java developer. If you know number one and two, you can become Java developer. Java developer. Got it? Okay. Or you can also be called as Java server side developer. All are one and the same, guys. Java server side developer. If you know all the six, then it is. Yeah. Faculty name is Natras. FB group is what? Natras Java Arena. It's a private group. FB group URL If you click on this URL, if you launch this URL, it will ask you to become member. I will approve your membership. Please put the request. To collect the material, there is a file section. From file section, you have to gather. Okay. Email ID. So group name as email ID at gmail.com. Group name itself, email ID, boss. For new batches, if you are looking for any new batches in Hyderabad location, okay, this is the URL. YouTube URL. Naresh IT is having YouTube URL, guys. Right, guys. Naresh IT is having YouTube URL. And all the faculties of Naresh IT, nearly 50 plus faculties of Naresh IT, kept different videos of different purposes. You can enjoy those videos. Try to subscribe Naresh IT YouTube channel. And this batch, admin name is Mr. Srikanth, and it is his phone number. It is his phone number. Is that clear? Okay. It is his phone number. It is his phone number. Everyone, please note down his phone number. Save it. Okay. Don't try to call him. Try to communicate with WhatsApp message, through WhatsApp message. If he is not responding, in the WhatsApp immediately or within 1 hour, 2 hours, then you can happily call him. And one more suggestion, once he gives reply in the WhatsApp, stop putting thank yous or welcomes or buys or this kind of messages, because he is the admin. He is the admin for 3,000 plus students. For all my batches, he is the admin. For other 1-2 faculties also, he is the admin. So since he is answerable nearly to 3,000 to 5,000 students every day, so try to communicate with him through WhatsApp. In case of emergency, in case of services not coming through WhatsApp, you can happily communicate with him by calling him. Okay, once again, I am sharing the details, guys. Okay, everyone, please save the details. I hope everyone got it. Okay, nice, guys. Upload file, guys. Yeah, class content. Yeah, like this material will be shared initially. Your batch code is NTSPBMS 715. Naresh Technology Spring Boot Microservices 715. 715. Got it, guys? Okay, course introduction. This is this. Course introduction. This is this. Yeah, in Facebook, it will be there like this. In files section. In file section, you search for your batch code. What is that? NTSPBMS 715. NTSPBMS 715. And there are 3 dots here. Na? Go there, click on download. When you click on download, that paintbrush image will be downloaded. Okay. Until you get the Google Classroom, keep the habit of collecting files like this and keep them in a folder. Once you got the Google Classroom, you can collect everything from the Google Classroom. Right click, guys. Okay, open with the paintbrush. Is it coming or not coming? Is it coming or not coming, boss? Yeah, people are not able to copy from chat box. 1 minute. I think this. Are you able to copy, boss? Are you able to copy? I'll accept your Facebook request after the class, not during the class. Once class is over, I will accept all your requests. You are not able. Are you able to copy or not able to copy? Please bring to my knowledge. From chat box, are you able to copy or not? Not able to copy. Give me 1 minute. I will solve problem online. Srikanth sir, students copy చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నారంట చూడండి chat box. E batch 7 AM batch also problem. Because the problem with the 7 a.m. Today batch got a problem with it. Right. Okay. Right. I think, guys, there is some technical issue. Okay. What I do is this group detail, admin details, I will paste in the Facebook, guys. You can collect from the Facebook. Yeah. First attend the classes using this link every day. Okay. Later, fee formalities comes into picture. Our admin will inform all people. First, focus on listening the class, getting grip on the content. Yes, boss. Yes, I shared the same details in the Facebook group, guys. As a post, you can collect from there. Right. Today, some technical problem is there. Some settings are disturbed. Tomorrow, that problem will be solved. Don't worry about it. Okay. Yeah. Listen, guys. Listen. Since it's a day one, I have to clarify a few things from my side. Number one, be regular and punctual. And remaining everything else, you leave it to me. I will take care of everything. Be regular and punctual to the classes and do practicals every day. Remaining everything else, leave it to me. How to develop the application, how to integrate the technologies, how to develop the real-time standards-based coding, how to follow coding standards, do's and don'ts after joining in the company, how to take the requirement, how to analyze the requirement, how to answer interviewer, how to gather and explain the projects, how to prepare resume. Lots of things I will take care. Your work is coming to classes regularly, doing practicals regularly. Remaining everything, you just leave it to me. That's the number one. Number two, yeah, please use chat box very wisely. When certain topic is going on, certain explanation is going on, use a chat box to ask only that topic related questions. Sir, then what about remaining questions, sir? I have a lot of personal questions and other questions, unrelated questions. Wait till the end. Every day at the end, I will give what? Lot of time to clarify all your doubts. Sir, I don't want to wait. Then mail me or keep in the Facebook group. If you keep in the Facebook group, not only me, another 15,000 members will answer for your question. If you mail me personally, I will reply personally. Okay? Or if you wait till the end of the course, till the end of the session, I will reply personally. Is that clear, guys? Okay, guys. In future also, this course will continue as an online course. This is end-to-end online course. Next, guys. I know lots of people will come to classes regularly, but they will postpone the practicals. Don't postpone the practicals. I request you people not to postpone the practical. Do practicals every day. And one more thing. Before you put any query in the chat box, give 5 to 10 minutes time for yourself. Because I believe most of your queries will be clarified. Most of your doubts will be clarified. Next 5 to 10 minutes discussion. Are you getting my point, guys? Most of your doubts will be clarified in next 5 to 10 minutes discussion. Right. I will be giving assignments in the middle of the classes, guys, middle of the topics. Please complete the assignment. That will improve your confidence. Okay, every 10-15 days, we will be developing one or other mini project, guys. We will be developing one or other mini project, guys. So please try to practice those mini projects without any failure. Automatically you will become confident to show gap as experience. As I said, you can show 4 to 5 years gap as experience after attending this particular course. Everyone got the clarity, boss? Right. People are asking, those people who have joined lately, they are asking what is the duration of the course. Single slot 120 to 140 session, 2 slot 70 to 90 sessions. 70 to 90 sessions. Everything is clear, right? So people are asking course content, guys. Tomorrow I will upload course content. I have to do 1-2 editions in that. 1-2 editions in the course content. I will update. Okay. Today, tomorrow I will be giving course content. Entire course content PDF I will share with you people. Fine. So today it's a purely introduction, guys. Okay. Tomorrow onward, technical sessions will start. What is framework? Why Spring is called framework? How framework is different from technology? How technology is different from programming language? Spring comes under which category of framework? You want to know all these things? Please come for tomorrow's session. Tomorrow onward, the actual content will start. Okay, guys. From my side, session is over. Those who don't have queries, they can leave the meeting. Tomorrow also same meeting ID. Those who are having queries, please put your queries only for one time and wait for my reply. Don't write your query 2-3 times. Please don't write your query for 2-3 times. Put your query for one time, short and sweet, and I will take your name and I will reply. Okay, wait it. Don't post your query for 10-20 times. Okay, boss. Shall I start taking queries? Yeah. Prabhakar. I'm 2012 graduate, wasted 5 years in UPSC exam, 3 years worked as vertical contractor. Is there any hope to get into IT industry? Prabhakar Kumar, everyone please listen, others answers also, you will be benefited. You can get into IT industry, but you cannot show those many years as experience. What you have to do is 2012 to 2022. Let us assume 10 years. 5 years you show as, okay, non-IT experience, electrical contract experience. Last 5 years, last 4 years you show in IT industry. IT industry. That means your total experience is 10 years. In that, relevant experience is 5 years and irrelevant experience is 5 years. Then it will work out. Right, guys. Ashish Balappa. March 1st, I joined software company as a Java developer. In this company, they are using what? Intershop framework. Can I continue this Spring batch right now? I start learning Spring course before job switching. Ashish Balap, okay, that is company specific framework, boss. If you want to focus it. But if that framework internally using Spring, this course will definitely help you. Okay, what is the batch name, sir? NTSP 715. NTSP BMS 715. This is your batch code. This batch code. NTSP BMS 715. Right, guys. What is the batch name? Of this batch I joined lately. This is Spring Boot and microservice batch now. After completed only Spring Boot, can I able to give interview for 2 years gap? Amit, for 2 years experience interview, companies are expecting Spring Boot knowledge, boss. After completion of Spring Basics and Spring Boot, you may try. You may try. Okay. Dipank Kole. I'm already working in service-based company from last 2.5 years support project. Going to switch this year into microservice-based project development. The question will be real-time project exposure. Can I show 2.0 experience in microservice project? Yeah, Deepak, definitely you can show after completion of this course. I'm having career grabs. Okay, I'm mother. I got job as integration developer as fresher. Will be working on IBM bus tools. Should I join? And 3 years bond will be there. If you cannot answer, how can I contact you? Your email ID. Just now I shared email ID, madam. Please communicate with there. Okay. Akshay Kapse, which is best, Angular or React? Angular is best. Okay, there is no RESTful service topic. Spring REST deals with the RESTful web services. Muhammad Yukab. Hi, good morning. Actually, I want to know about React.js course. Who will teach this in this course? Okay. React.js will be taught by Sudhakar Sharma sir, the UI technologies expert. He will be teaching. Difference between Angular and AngularJS. A big difference, guys. Angular is extension of AngularJS. Okay, boss. Difference between Angular 11 and 13. I think UI technology faculty can answer this one better. As version changes, definitely features will increase, guys. Okay, what about certificate for this program? You will get course completion certificate definitely. Okay, Komal, I have 6 years gap. Can I take 4 years gap as experience after completion of this course? Definitely, Komal, you can do that. Durga Prasad, is integration testing comes under development or teamwork? Generally, integration testing will be done by team people, boss. What are the timings for 2 sessions every day? 7 a.m. in the morning, 7:30 p.m. in the evening. Still 7:30 p.m. sessions are not started for you people. Once started, I will let you know. Okay, still 7:30 p.m. not started. I will let you know once started. How many demo sessions will be there? 2-3 demo sessions will be there. Is there any offer for existed student of Naresh IT? Definitely will be there. Contact admin. Will you cover sprint integration? Yes, Ananya, definitely it will be covered. Okay, guys. Pavandi, yeah, in morning sessions, Spring and Spring Boot will be covered. In the evening session, Spring Cloud and microservices will be happening. Which version of Eclipse IDE to use? Latest version we use, guys. This batch is for NASCAP student or not. That you have to talk to your admin, guys. But this is exclusive Spring Stack course. Whether you are eligible for this batch or not, your admin can answer, not me. Okay, is there any option to change from Pratap sir class to your class? Upendra, that I cannot comment on it because it's related to another faculty. Please talk to admin once. Spring and Spring Boot will be covered. Definitely, course starts with Spring Basics. I'm BA passed out 2020. I'm able to enter into IT sector. Is there any? Akash, you cannot try as a fresher, but you can show gap as experience. Once you show gap as experience, your graduation domain does not matter. Are you going to teach real-time project batch? Yes, definitely will be there. Servlet JSP mandatory for immediately not required. In Spring MVC, I will be using Servlet JSP knowledge. By that time, try to get basics of Servlet JSP knowledge. Okay, did you provide workspace? Entire workspace I will be sharing with you through GitHub. I will be sharing with you through GitHub. Got it? Entire workspace I will share. From where I can gather docs while showing gap as experience. Saurabh Verma, Saurabh Verma, there are some consultancies, organization doing this business. You mail me, I will provide the details. I want to join as experience in this course. Is enough to join experience. Prem Kumar, definitely you can show 4 to 5 years of experience after that. I paid for full stack Java. Am I eligible to join in this course? Okay. Gaurav Kancharla, your admin can answer this question. Shall I pay 2 installment because I don't have budget? Muhammad Yuka, definitely possible to contact the admin. Can I take this course and DevOps parallelly? Yes, you can take. Okay, guys. Can I add Spring Mini project in my resume? Recommended, you can add it, but you can find better alternates also. This Sravanti, sir, completed Spring Basics. I need only remaining course. When can I start this batch? And Spring Basics, I will be teaching for 20 to 25 sessions. After 20 to 25 sessions, Spring Boot will start. From there, you can start coming for. Bipin Kumar, how can I show gap as experience? Because nowadays, no companies wants bank statement. Bipin Kumar, there are some consultants organization who maintain your bank statement also. Before 6 months onwards, you have to give money to that consultancy. On your name, they will deposit as a salary. Like this bank statement will be ready. Bipin Kumar, but you have to be awake bit early. You have to awake bit early. If you contact the consultancy before 6 months and start giving money to him, he will deposit in your account as a salary. Again withdraw. Next month, again you give money. Again, he will deposit as a salary. Again, you withdraw. Like this, you have to do some practice to generate the bank statement. Sir, I have 8 years gap as experience. Can I start career as Java developer? Neha Sharma, as I said, you cannot show 8 years gap as experience. What you can do is 4 years as IT experience and other 4 years as non-IT experience you can show. When we'll start new batch of advanced Java, it is offline available. Okay, Raghu, it takes time, guys. Okay, still clarity has not come on offline classes, but in 1 month, definitely advanced Java batch will start. What is the difference between Angular and AngularJS? Just now I said Angular is created on the top of AngularJS. Okay, guys. Can I do this course parallelly with full stack Java or not? You can do this course with full stack Java. Definitely you can do it. If I attend this course, is it need to do Hibernate classes separately? And the basics of Hibernate I will teach, guys, but you want depth of Hibernate, better to join separate course. I'm already working as a tester 6 months, but I need to shift to developer. You can shift definitely, and for you more chances are there to become full stack developer fastly. Can you provide video backup? As I said, if you miss the class, you have to attend, have to communicate with admin. Admin takes some process and he will supply the video. Okay, Narendra Reddy, this course contains Spring Boot. Spring Basics we will be studying for 25 sessions and remaining everything will be learning in Spring Boot angle. All modules of this course will be discussed in Spring Boot angle. So entire course duration is mainly Spring Boot. Spring is only introduction. Come on. Right, boss. Fine. First it will start on Spring. I'm already attending 7:30 p.m. batch. Can I attend this batch also? Sai, if you are interested, you can attend. Please contact the admin. Still not able. Okay. DSA knowledge and competitive programming is must to get into product-based company. Not for every company, boss. Not for every company. Few companies ask. Sudha Somavarpu. I am your previous advanced Java student. I have joined Spring Stack course 7:30 p.m. Paid 8,000 rupees. As I was personal issue, I missed some of the classes. Please provide me 7 a.m. class to continue. Sudha, I think you have to communicate with admin for this. Okay, guys. Bimal Kumar, you can continue 9 a.m. batch. Please contact the admin. Okay, boss. Rakesh Thakur, sir, I am your old student attending advanced Java 10 years back. I have 8 years experience. I want to do Spring Cloud microservice in fast pace. What should I do? Rajesh Thakur, evening batch. In the evening batch, after 1 month, microservices will be started. You can come and join directly there. You can come and join directly there. I have attended only core Java to develop any projects or not. Durga Batula, you can develop, but you can develop only small scale websites, not more than that. Karan Kumar Sanku, I joined company yesterday. That company, they are using Spring MVC. They told involve few days, like nearly 20 days after you also project. I don't know Spring, sir. Karan Kumar, you can learn here and you can implement in your company. Where we are asking question, I don't see others question. Venkat CH, it's a one-to-one communication, I'm reading it. That's why. From where I can get docs, so gap as experience. Saurav Verma, mail me, I will provide the details. I joined company and Spring Boot with the GraphQL. Is the topic is part of this one? Yeah, Pagari is part of our course, don't worry. Time duration only for Spring Boot and microservices. You just minus 25 sessions to 30 sessions, that is the duration. 73. Please don't repeat your question. Raghav, definitely, definitely everything will be covered as your friend said. Okay, guys. 7 a.m. slot is already running, boss. Ravi Kumar, and 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Okay, I will announce when topics are started. Venkat Vedula. I am working as JavaScript developer from last 8 years. This course will help me to switch to career my Java. Definitely, Venkat, you can. Are we discussing Spring Web in this module? Yes, are Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, indirectly learning Spring Web. Okay. My BCA completed 13. I have experience 5 years. And then I completed MCA. Can I get job? Please better not to try as a fresher because you have academic gaps. Try with experience. Try with experience. Anil, okay. Definitely it will help you, boss. You can show total 5 years as Java experience. Okay. Muhammad Yukab, Spring REST module deals with a RESTful web service only. Yes, you will be. Swaroop will be learning RESTful web services. Spring REST module deals with RESTful web services. Right, guys. REST API is the generic terminology. If that is implemented in Spring environment, that is called Spring REST API. Okay. Neha Sharma, madam, just now I have answered your question. Okay, you can definitely start. As I said, 4 plus 4. 4 years IT experience, 4 years non-IT experience. You can continue this course if you have a complete OOPS knowledge and JDBC basics. Okay, can diploma CSC students, Santosh, since engineers are more and more, getting job as a diploma candidate is very tough. Try for 1 or other graduation. There will be 1-2 companies who will give knowledge based on your talent, not based on graduation. But still, better to have a graduation. Please try to have a graduation. Okay, I need Spring Boot microservices. I am already old student getting job plus experience after your class. You are looking for Spring Boot, huh? Okay, you wait, you join in the course after 2025 session. There will be 1 more entry from Spring Boot. You can come. Or you continue from today, you will get the revision of Spring Basics also. This batch is for NASCAM students or not. That you have to find out with your admin. I don't know as of now. I completed Spring Basics. I need only remaining course. Can I join in this batch? Definitely you can join, madam. Bishwajit Milan Behra. Okay. I have 2 years experience in manual and automation testing. Then I resigned, started preparing for civil services. Now after 4 years, I joined again automation testing. Having knowledge in Java and wants to switch to Java developer, can I? Yes, you can. You can show, okay, that 4 years UPSC preparation time also has IT experience. As IT experience, you can show, but you have to learn multiple technologies. You should be master in multiple technology in order to get a job in Java domain. Yes, Ramaswamy Mohan, Elasticsearch, GraphQL will be covered. Yes, will be covered. Shisha, Satish, I am working PHP last 4 years. Can I switch? Yes, you can switch. Mahesh Babu, you can attend. I have not knowledge of JSP. Can I attend this course? You can attend. Immediately JSP knowledge is not required. Before I launch Spring MVC, try to get the basics of JSP. Okay, guys. Muhammad Adan, you can start doing, boss, but try to do advanced Java parallelly because Servlet JSP knowledge is required in Spring MVC classes, Spring REST classes. Okay, Surendra completed BK 2020. Recently joined in MNC. They are assigned me automation side. I want to get job as developer. Can I put my gap as experience? If you want to get job in your choice domain, you have to show gap as experience. You need to show gap as experience. Can I take this course offline? Right now, this course is completely online. Once offline started, I will let you know. Hello, sir. I'm fresher, joined last month in service-based company. What to do? I have no knowledge of Java. Deepak Chaudhary, you have to learn Java if the work is coming in Java. Otherwise, they will conduct training program. Try to be serious about that training program. Okay, guys. How much money pay this course? As I said, only Spring Stack 6,000. With Angular or React JS knowledge 8,000. Okay, payment integration definitely will be discussed. Okay, is parallelly managed job and training. Job and training. You can manage, boss. That's your. You should take the time out from your regular task in order to learn for spend time for learning. I think most of the questions are repeating, boss. I ask not to repeat the course. GitHub is part of our course, guys. As a tool, we will be learning. As a tool, we will be learning. Is there any design pattern batch future? Definitely will be there in 1-2 months. It will be there. What is the scope of Spring Boot and microservice? I mean to say so many things, frameworks are getting outdated. Vijay, Spring is not outdated, boss. You observe it. From last 10-15 days, it is there and it is growing day to day. And Java developers are hot cake because of Spring Boot and microservices only. You know what is the requirement of Java developers in the market, and that requirement, that hot cake behavior came because of Spring Boot and microservices. Don't forget that. My previous company not giving me relieving letter, I resigned. They are providing only testing work. Should I show fake experience of 2 years to switch to company? Will be the new. Rahul Kumar, what is need of showing fake experience? You prepare fake relieving letter and ask HR department to manage the calls. Request your HR department for manage calls. I'm OCGP certified 2011. Never get a chance working on Java. I'm working on iOS developer. Do I need this join core Java class again? Chetan, not required. Since you are OCGP certified, you can continue in this course directly. What is the fee for live plus recording? We don't charge separately for recording, boss. Okay, we don't charge anything for, but when you miss the class, you have to put request to admin. Admin will supply it. Which ID you will be using for writing? I will be using Eclipse, boss. Once in a while, I will be using STS. But my main ID will be this one. Okay, guys. Rakesh Pakwar, 9 a.m. advanced Java student. Don't worry, you can happily continue in this batch. All DevOps tools are going to be taught in detail. Only relevant topics will be covered. Actually, DevOps is a separate course, guys. As a developer, how much knowledge is required on tools, that we will be learning. Okay. Muhammad Yukab, if you attend this course sincerely, if you do mini projects completely sincerely, no need of taking separate batch on project. Separate batch on project. I think, guys, your questions are repeating. GB, evening takes time. It takes 3-4 months time to get the same course in the evening. Okay. Mr. Chari, package. I'm working on Spring Boot. I'm facing problem to work on it because I have no basic. Can I get this course quickly? Took more time, definitely continue. Mr. Chari, you can attend morning, evening classes parallelly to complete this course fastly. Okay. Hibernate is not prerequisite to learn Spring, this course. Okay. In Spring covered Spring, this course covers Spring MVC also. Okay. Design pattern is a separate course, but Spring related design patterns will be covered in the Spring only, in this course only. Karan Soni. Okay. Okay. Babu, slowly people are moving to Spring Boot, living Spring. So that's why less focus on Spring, more focus on Spring Boot and microservices. Right. Kedar Singh, if you miss some classes of advanced Java, in any batch, you can come and take the backup. Morning batch not possible for. Is there any evening batch course 7 p.m.? It takes 3 to 4 months time in order to start this course, guys. Non-IT experience, what we can show as well, make experience. You can try, you can show as a faculty in the college, you can try as electrical engineer, you can show as civil engineer, anything you can show. Anything you can show, guys. Yeah. Tushar, if you feel becoming Spring expert is your priority, you can join in this course. No, sir, I want to become full stack developer. UI also important. Then continue UI. It's you have to take a call. You have to take a call. Ashwin Panchal, 7 a.m. fresh batch end to end will be discussed in 7 a.m. slot. No, I want to complete this course fastly. 7 a.m. you attend initial topics and evening 7:30 p.m. you attend last topics parallelly. So initial topics in the morning, from the middle of the course till the end in the evening. Since you are doing both the topics parallelly, you will be reducing the time. You will be, there will be a reduction in the course duration. Okay, guys, please. Venkatesh Nadar, Venkatesh from Bangalore. I resigned my job December 1st, came to Amirpet December 7th, doing Java full stack, but specially for you to attend your offline class. But fine, I am happy to attend online class. My friend is your old student and successful position now, and he was the reason to know about me. Congratulations, Mr. Congratulations, Mr. Venkatesh Nadar. Congrats for your friend. But focus and do hard work. Definitely, you will be there in the same position of your friend. Srikar, recorded sessions will not be given, but if you miss any class, you have to put request to admin to get that session as a recorded session. Ganesh, hello, sir. Morning batch not possible. As I said, evening batch takes 2-3 months time minimum. Okay. Jaipal, yes. Jaipal, you can complete this course parallelly, okay, by attending morning and evening classes parallelly. Okay. Durga Prasad, definitely I will provide materials of Spring Boot, JDBC, Servlet, like anything, everything I will provide materials. Okay, I don't have 60% criteria. I'm 2020 passed out. Can I see? Some companies are not running after criteria. That's why you may try as a fresher. But if you feel that is the criteria, try to show gap as experience. Okay. Ganesh, stop keeping messages. Okay. Evening batch takes 2-3 months time. Okay. I'm working in MNC production support. Can I switch to Java experience with this knowledge? Bishal Kumar, definitely. Definitely. Okay. Gaurav, when you show gap as experience, how to behave, we have a sessions on it. Initial days of IT industry, we have sessions on it. Muhammad Yukab, I'm good at speaking English. Could you guide me what to do? Where should I learn spoken English? Muhammad, don't learn, observe and practice. Automatically it comes. English is not a course to learn. English is a language to practice. I have knowledge on Servlet JDBC. Can we learn Spring Boot microservices? Srinu, definitely you can learn. Madhav, tomorrow they will solve copy problem, please. Okay, Divya, advanced Java online batch, 1 month back only started. If you are looking for new match, wait for 2025 session, one more batch will start. Ranjit Jukala, I completed BTech 2019. Can I try as fresher or experience? Okay. 2019, better to try as experience, guys. You won't be considered as a fresher. Kishan Misra, I am passed out 2021. I am completed core Java, advanced Java. What should I do? You can happily learn this Spring Stack course. This is right now, this course is required. First, try as a fresher, parallelly learn this course. You can happily try as a fresher, parallelly learn this course. Okay, Santosh, when will be real-time project batch starts? Within 1-2 months, it will start, I will go for. Okay, guys. 7th, definitely it will be conducted. Don't worry. I have a good knowledge in core Java, advanced Java, Consultancy, I got KPMG, Microsoft platform, low code, no development with 4 lakh package. Should I join, continue or not? Shashi Thakur, that's not a great opportunity, but until you get other opportunity, you can engage that job. You can engage in that job. Yeah, desktop engineer is not a real high IT experience, but with a different designation, you can show that gap as experience. Okay, guys. Shashi Thakur, just now I answered your question. Deepak Chaudhary, I am fresher joined in Lare. Please don't repeat your questions, Bob. Bapu, Spring Security is part of our course. Okay. Akshay Kapse, please mail me. I will provide consultant details. Who will teach Angular? Sudhakar Sharma sir will teach Angular. I'm working as senior Java developer at Corgan. I will refer batchmates in my company after completion of this course. Thank you, Amul. I think most of the questions are repeating, guys. If I miss anyone's question, come on. Please mail me. If I miss anyone's question, please mail me. Because most of the students are repeating their questions, guys. Okay. In upcoming time, Python will take our Java. No, Python is not replacement for Java in any angle. I asked when UI will start. Once batch starts, I will inform you can start learning UI classes parallel. How can we contact our batchmates details? Okay, your batchmate details will not be given, guys. All our members of group, you can contact them in the Facebook group. Okay. ServiceNow framework. Can I switch framework? Future bond is 2 years. ServiceNow also good, guys. But if you are not having interest to continue ServiceNow, you can switch, no problem. Which language is replaced for Java? As of now, no replacement for Java. Java is the ultimate one to develop the enterprise application, high-end, large-scale applications. Okay. Spring REST and RESTful services are different. No, RESTful web service is the topic name. In Spring, they will be implemented by using Spring REST. In Spring, they will be implemented using Spring REST. Sir, I got placed in Deloitte as a tester. Shall I join or not? If your dream is becoming developer, don't join as a tester. If your dream is to get the job, join as a tester. Because as a tester, career growth will not be that much good. Career growth will be there, but that will not be that much good. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. If I miss anyone's question, don't hesitate to send mail to me. I'm sharing my details once again. I'm sharing my details once again. Okay. I'm sharing my details again. This is my email ID. Please send. Please send. Okay, guys. Anish Sharma, if you are looking for certificate, contact the admin. Admin will talk. We'll talk about that. I have joined company before 1 month. Now I am having project interview. They are asking for REST, microservices. When I joined, asked for Spring. Yeah. Mr. Sharma, listen, we have to mold as per project requirement. Project even never mold according to your requirement. If they are asking for something, you have to upgrade on this. You are asking on something, you have to upgrade on it. Vinay Kumar, this mail ID is not required. There is no need of any mail ID. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow by 7 o'clock. Yeah, initial 1-2 days, I will start by 7:10. Okay, 7:10. After that, I will start back by 7 o'clock. Back by 7 o'clock.